Coming to you from that Canadian Lawn Guy channel, bringing you getting things organized at my storage for the winter off season. Show off all my equipment.
Good morning, Craig with that Canadian Lawn Guy channel. I'm just gonna flip the camera around here and show you what's going on today. So I'm out at my storage. I got this big sea can, my makeshift storage, and I'm just getting things, getting snowblowers started up and putting away my hand tools today. Spraying them out of gas, and then I'm putting my grandstand, you can see behind me there. My stand-up machine, I'm going to put it away. I still going to use the Toro Titan ZX 4800 for leaf cleanups, and I got the Z Master at home. I'm going to use it, and I got a couple push mowers. Just kind of waiting on leaves. I don't think things are slower than usual. I just think we always have to wait for the leaves. But yeah, so the two little power clear machines started up really well. The residential one actually started first pull. This one maybe a couple pulls. But they got new pads on them from the year before. So what I kind of do is keep one of these power clears at my father-in-law's, and then he can use it if he wants. And then use one until the pads are kind of worn out, and then swap it out. Give him the one while I can change the pads. And yeah, usually go through one. So those are new, and I'll buy two sets of pads. So it'd be about $150 or so for the two machines for pads. And then that should be good for those. Oh, sure. So we're walking in my storage. Got this air compressor that I picked up for really cheap, so I'm gonna resell that. I got this Yardworks snowblower. It started up fine. I barely used it last year, but I guess it's good to have a backup. A little dark in here, so you probably can't see, but it's pretty good. This kind of gets froze up sometimes. It probably froze up right now. Yeah, I guess it's working. And then this bad boy we did videos on last year. It's already got some rust. It's too bad. I started it up, it started up fine. I can turn the gas off on this one right in there. So I just ran it out of fuel in the spring there. So it started up fine with the Toro Power Max HD commercial 1428. And it's a beast. It's got the light on the front there. Yeah, so I just kind of like wanted to come out here and get a little organized. Putting this one away for the winter too. I can run it out of fuel with the fuel shut off, so that's nice. The Exmark 30-inch. I don't use it as much anymore. People don't like to use it other than me, and the reason I like to use it is because I spent like what, $3,500 on it, and so you know what you paid for it. And I put a transmission in it last fall, so it actually worked okay, but it's just kind of pain in the trailer. It takes up a lot of room. Got this, sprayed it down, sharpened blades, cleaned it up. I put it in the storage. It's got, how many hours? It's got 495 hours on it, and it's a good machine. I love it because it can fit on the trailer really well when you can put up the stand-on platform. And yeah, so I'm gonna put away all my hand tools. They're kind of in the back of the truck here. So I got two Stihl 94R weed whackers. I lost one of these in last week. It just came off the handle, and I'm still in the process of looking for it on the side of roads, but it's annoying. So I got the blade attachment. I got the way over here. Like chainsaw attachment. I have the little MS45 stihl hedge trimmer. It's good. It still works really well. And then I got in this case, we have the MS170. Yeah, I've got the hedge trimmer attachment you've seen in other videos on the Stihl 94R. And got some seed that we haven't used, so we'll put that away in the storage. Yeah. So we're kind of just trying to get a little bit organized while we wait for more leaves to fall. Kind of last week I figured out how to fit the Z-Master and the Titan on the trailer. I luckily have a little bar that I can take off. And a guy that had this trailer before had 2 quads, so I guess he would have come off the side on this part with the 1 quad. But yeah, fall is always frustrating. Just waiting to get the last fall cleanups done. And I usually get done around November 16th or so. Most of all the work's done, and then you kind of get snow maybe right away for a couple runs, and then sometimes you get all of December without much snow to clear, but who knows this year. But yeah, just thought I'd show you some of my equipment and some of my storage again. It's nice. Wish I had got a 40-foot, because I'm sure, I'll show you when it's all put away, I'm sure it's going to be maxed out in space this year with the new Z-Master 60-inch in there as well. I'm going to measure it up, make sure everything fits, and maybe get some shelves. I haven't done much inside here. I should put some hooks, and I should make it a little bit more functional, but it's just basically holds equipment, and I come out here and grab stuff when I need it. And yeah, I put my snow blowers here in the winter time, and then I just use a smaller trailer and I just grab them out of the bin and on my way. And then I have a commercial snowblowing contract close by, so then that's my first one, and then I head into town on the west end. So yeah. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, just smash the like button and consider subscribing to the channel. My daughter told me if you don't subscribe to That Canadian Lawn Guy channel, the dinosaurs will come back to life and eat your whole house up. That's what she told me this morning. So anyways, that was my daughter Kira. And anyways, guys, have a good one. Until next time, take care. See you on the next one.
Here's a picture of my equipment all in the storage bin, just to make sure it will fit. It's going to be a little bit tight. I got to put 3 push mores in there, and then the last photo is what I've been using on the trailer for fall cleanups. That was another Canadian YouTube video, eh?